How to add or set up the email on your iPhone Mail app. So for that, you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to unlock your iPhone and open up the setting app which is on your home screen. Just go for that. And once you are here, you have to scroll down and go for your app here. And under your app, you have to look for the mail option. So here you can see the Gmail option. Just tap on your mail. And once you are here on your mail, you have to just go for the 80 count option. So here you have to scroll down and here you have to just go for your mail option. Under your mail option, you can just tap on the mail. And here you can see the aid account option. Just tap on the aid account. And under your aid account option, you will see the list of email provider. iCloud, Microsoft Access, Google, Yahoo, etc. will appear here. So if you are setting up a Gmail or Google Mail here, just go for the Google here. And here you can see that. And after that, here you have to just provide your email. And after providing your email, you have to enter your password. So that's it. After providing your password, they will navigate to you this page. And you have to just go and follow the on-screen instruction here and tap on the continue option. And here you have to just go and select all and tap on the continue here. That's it. You have successfully added an email account to your iPhone app here. iPhone Mail app here. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.